Hi everyone, it's Daniella and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here. I want to start by saying Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a lovely New Year's Eve and I hope you have wonderful things planned for the new year and I know it's going to be awesome. I have the new Crafter's Companion subscription box to share with you today. It is number 8, as you see, and it is the metallic marker pens. Oh, this one I was so excited to get. So I haven't looked at it. I just cut the seal. Seal. It's a plastic seal. And now we will open it together. It's got all sorts of things to play with, and I'm excited. So, she puts her picture in the front with a nice little something to say. And this is the thank you card that tells you where you can go find all of their fun videos and stuff. Let's take everything out. Super psyched. These have, I think, a bullet and a brush tip. These markers, and they're metallic. These markers are really interesting, and that's why I'm super excited to play with them. They are permanent when dry, but when they're wet, you can watercolor and play with the ink like you could a watercolor marker. So I think that is very clever, and I'm excited to see how that works. So first, get our stuff out. Okay, stay. Then there are these assorted pearls, which are super fun because you could color them with these markers because they work on shiny surfaces too. So those are always fun. But you over here, here are the stamps, and there are 2 stamp sets. She always has a lot of butterflies. If you like butterflies, it's awesome. If you don't, I don't know. But, be your own kind of beautiful. Without change, the world, there would be, without change, there would be no butterflies. Yes, butterfly, float like a butterfly, sing like a bee. Bunch of little hearts and little butterflies. Spread your wings and fly. May you always be brave enough to fly. Feather, so that's cool. And then there's all of these, like this, like a dandelion and some like fern leaves, pretty flower, another feather. Thanks, just a note, hello. Huge congratulations, time to celebrate. Here's to you. So you are so loved. So those are fun. Then there are a bunch of little charms that you can like dangle off of your projects. There's usually a video that you can watch, and if you remember a few months back, there was much to do about it because people weren't allowed to see the video before the kit shipped and stuff like that. This month the video was up, and I don't have the metallic marker, so I was excited about that. So we have a butterfly, we have a flower, we have another butterfly, we have a flower in a circle. I have to hold it up higher because I can't zoom in more right now because checking it all out. Those are cute, I think. Put them there. These are the card blanks, and I don't know, why are they? Oh, some are black and some are white. Let's see. I normally don't bother opening the card blanks, but sometimes they're in fun shapes and stuff. Okay, so we have a couple, it's probably a 4x4. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, yep, 4. And then these look like your average random regular cards, whatever that is, A2, 5.5 by 4.25. And then these look like 6x6. Oh, I see, just because they're different bunches of cards. There are 3 and 3 and 3, and in the white, there are only 2, 2, and 2. Okay. These are the envelopes, which I will not open. And these are the die cut card blanks. That's interesting. Why are they die cut? Let's find out. This is in the window. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's coming. There's some acetate with this because you can stamp or write or whatever on acetate as well with the metallic markers. Here's some mirror card. That one is obviously silver. Are they metallic or brushed? I don't know. We have silver, we have gold, and that's it. So it's just silver and gold. Okay, so we have that. And then we have white card and black card. This is for like your stamping on and stuff. And then here are the vellum sheets. Like I said, I wonder if there was supposed to be no pattern paper in this one. Thought there was more paper. And some ribbon. Anything else? This is just about them. There you go. So I don't know. I did think there was supposed to be paper. Well, I can get back to everybody about that at a later time. And this is still a lot. I think it's looking awesome. Let's close this box for now. And if you look at the front, I guess not. I guess, stamping and make your own, which is cool. I like to do that, so I'm good with that. So, these markers, let's play a little bit. I have some white and black cards. Stop. Whoa. Okay. So, let's take the brush part first, and we will hello. Hi. It's a very nice feeling pen. I'm doing this from far away, so like I'm back here instead of over the paper. Anyway, okay, so here, let's stop writing words. Let's just go. There's some silver. Let's put some silver on the black paper. Oh yeah, these look way cooler on the black, don't they? Let's go with some gold. It also shows you which end is which. gold. Awesome. Green. Where'd it go? Okay. Green. That's a cool green. Looking good. And purple. Finishing it up. Purple. Snazzy. Groovy. Okay. So, when they're dry, let's take a little bit of water and a brush, and you can see I'm going over this with wetness. This green one is moving a little. The purple didn't move at all. The gold isn't moving and the silver isn't moving. Okay, so now we've proven that they're semi. I didn't let it, wait that long. But here, let's put a little bit of purple here and immediately take this wet brush my brush isn't even that wet. And look, it'll blend. So it is true. Then that would also mean that if I used it on a stamp and I wet the paper first, it would do a really cool watercolor-like effect. So I will just use one stamp, one of the not too big ones, because I don't want to be here wasting time with you. I want to show you the kit, which I'm doing, and then here's a block. Keep remembering to kind of stay in frame. Put that one there, and I'll take the green. No, what I'm going to, okay, this is a tricky thing. This has to not dry to stamp with it, but at the same time, if I put it on weight and then add water, it might dry. So I'm going to wet this paper first, right here. Nice amount of wet. Good. Perfect. Now I will take the green marker and quickly put it on the stamp, making sure it stays all nice and wet long enough to put it right here. It did, it worked, but it's not very watercolory, is it? And this is now not even doing anything, but I'll pick it up. See where I wet it. It's a little blended, and here is the second generation one, and here's nothing, which is the third. But so yeah, well, what I'm thinking is these are going to be a lot of fun to play with. And I mean, with the charms, 4 of those pens, 2 stamp sets, all these pearls, all of this yummy vellum, and the vellum is for putting in these cards that are die cut. We have all these die cut ones in black and in white. We have vellum sheets and acetate sheets. white and black cardstock, the mirror cardstock. I think I've said the 2 stamp sets 20 times. And then all of the black and white cards in 2 different colors and 3 different sizes. And of course the star, oh, let's not forget a piece of ribbon, another piece of ribbon. And all of these markers and charms. I think this is a really awesome kit, and I am really excited about it, and I'm really looking forward to playing with it a little bit, having some fun with these metallic markers. I wanted to buy them on several occasions. I was like, I was really excited for this box. So if there's anything you want to know, anything you want to see, anything, whatever, just leave me a comment. So thank you for watching. You know, I think you're fabulous. Leave me a comment and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.